This is Peter from PetesCruises-n-Travel.com and allinclusivecaribbeancruises.net. Coming to you live from the rear section of the Carnival Victory. It's on its way to a 5-day Western Caribbean cruise to Jamaica and the Grand Cayman. We've had our first night, which went well. Drove all night Friday, got to the cruise port Saturday. Really tired, but it was still fun hanging out, being served, being pampered, and just getting to know the ship a little, and also enjoying the night's presentation in the main theater. Got up late this morning, and I've had breakfast. Breakfast here is it's pretty heavy. There's so much food to eat. So now that I've had breakfast and I'm stuffed, I am on the jogging track. I'm not going to jog, sorry, but I'm going to walk around to burn some of the calories I just had. I just packed in. As I do, I will hold my camera a bit so you can see a little bit of the ship as I go around the track. People at work, people hanging out. Nice little group of birds over there. And this is always very good, just looking out at sea, really beautiful. Well, there's another walker. And I've seen some runners. This is the back section of the ship, and there is a pool area right there and hot tubs. This is the Carnival. Hey, I'm walking around. I just had breakfast. I'm burning some calories. I'm not gonna jog. No jogging. So what are you doing? Just relaxing up here? Hi, Lorna. How you doing? All right. I'm just walking around. Oh man, too early. That's the Carnival signature muffler, if you will. People hanging out. I can see the slide. Victory has a slide. Not as giant as elsewhere, but there is one. Whereas in other ships. Well, I think I'll make one more round with this and then I'll turn it off while I continue to. Well, these guys are better than me. They're running. I'm not into any running. I'll just walk. Walking is good. Well, I will be ending this video now. It's gone on long enough, just going around in circles. This is Peter saying, hey, whatever you want to do, you can do. You can relax, you can slide, you can jog around the track, you can walk like I am doing right now. You can just simply sit there, stand there, and do nothing. It's all up to you. You can even hang out by the hot tub right over there, or the pool which is beside it, or you can do nothing. This is Peter saying, until next time, you go have fun on the high seas.